All right, guys, we're going to look at some more soil stuff today with Tim and Moby.
Dear Tim and Moby, where does soil come from? From Juno. Soil is a blend of rock and mineral fragments, water, air, and humus.
Okay, so again, like we've talked, weathered rock from the bedrock, water, air, and humus, meaning plant and animal matter.
That's carbon-rich or organic material left behind by living things. It all starts with the rocks and minerals that form the Earth's crust. Things like wind, water, ice, carbon dioxide, and oxygen break the crust down in two processes called weathering and erosion. Weathering is the process of breaking down rocks, soil, and minerals through contact with the atmosphere.
Okay, I hope we all remember that, breaking down of the rock.
Heat, pressure, water, and other chemicals can cause a rock to become weathered. And erosion is something that causes rocks to move and disintegrate by the action of water, wind, gravity, and ice. As a rock erodes and weathers over many years, it breaks down into tiny pieces, and small plants are able to grow in it. The roots of the plants break the rock down even more.
Okay, that's something we've not talked a lot about. There is a question, and I want to address it. These plant roots are going to break the rock apart even further. Okay, so that adds to the formation of the soil.
Humus made of dead plants accumulates in the rock. The humus makes the dirt more livable, not only for more complex plants, but also for animals that live in the ground, like worms and insects. As more and more plants and animals live in the soil, its humus content rises, and it becomes more and more fertile.
So the older the soil gets, the more fertile it becomes because the cycle just keeps happening.
The process can take thousands and thousands of years. But if you've ever dug a deep hole, you can actually see the different stages of soil in the process of forming. Soil is made up of 3 layers, or horizons.
Okay, remember that's a word we need to know, the soil horizons, the different layers.
Horizon A, or topsoil, contains lots of humus, which makes it the darkest layer. The A horizon is covered by a layer of litter, made up of leaves, twigs, and other organic material. This stuff will eventually decompose into more humus. Horizon B, or subsoil, contains weathered rocks and minerals and clay. It has much less humus than the A horizon, so it's lighter in color and much less fertile. Horizon B contains some organic material washed down from the A horizon through leaching.
Leaching is the washing down, washing away.
When water soaks into the topsoil, it reacts with the humus to form an acid. This acid dissolves some of the nutrients in the A horizon and drips down into the B horizon, making it a bit more fertile. The same thing happens in Horizon C, which is made up of partially weathered rocks and minerals, as well as leached material from the B horizon. Together, the 3 horizons form the soil profile. Below that, well, if you keep digging, you'll hit rock that hasn't been broken down yet. Bedrock. I warned you.